Welcome to Turkistan TV News. United States to take part in military exercise near India's disputed border with China. CNN News. The United States to take part in a joint military exercise with India, less than 100 kilometers, 62 miles from the South Asian country's disputed border with China. The military drills will be held in mid-October at an altitude of 10,000 feet in Auli in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and will focus on high-altitude warfare training, according to a senior Indian Army officer with knowledge of the matter. Auli is about 95 kilometers from the line of actual control, LAC, in an inhospitable piece of land where the disputed border between India and China is roughly demarcated. The drills will take place as a part of 18th edition of an annual joint exercise known as Yuddh Abhyas or war practice. Relations between India and China have been strained since a bloody clash between their soldiers in Himalayas in June 2020 left at least 20 Indian troops and 4 Chinese soldiers dead. Tensions have been raised further recently by China, building a bridge across the Pangong Lake that sits along the border, a move condemned by Indian government as an illegal occupation. During a visit to India this year, the United States Army's Pacific Commanding General Charles Flynn described China's military build-up near the disputed border as alarming. Asked about the joint exercises, a United States Department of Defense spokesperson told CNN that the partnership with India was one of the most important elements of our shared vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific region. One important element of this border effort includes exercises and training events, and Yuddh Abhyas is one such annual bilateral exercise designed to improve interoperability and improve our respective capacities to address a range of regional security challenges, the spokesperson said. The line of actual control, the loosely defined de facto border between India and China, emerged out of the Sino-Indian border war of 1962, which itself was sparked by long-standing historical territorial disagreements. Its precise location can be blurry, and there is still dispute between China and India as to where one country ends and the other begins. Any military provocations between India and China could have grave consequences. Both have nuclear weapons. Border tensions escalated between the two countries after soldiers fought with fists, stones, and nail-studded bamboo poles in a bloody brawl that killed at least 20 Indian soldiers in June 2020 in the Galwan Valley, close to Aksai Chin, an area controlled by China but claimed by both countries. Though tensions have since eased, both sides maintain a large troop presence in the border region, raising the risk of potential miscalculations in the event of sudden and unexpected clashes. Eltaver from Turkistan TV News reported.